here. They're all my own designs. They're hand woven and crocheted. I learned how to weave when I was in college and now have a loom in my home and create all of my work.
My name is Laura Guzzo, and I'm a freelance illustrator, so I have all my work behind me. I'm influenced by religious imagery, occult imagery, sort of stained glass, tarot card things, also pinup art and turn of the century Art Nouveau posters, like Alphonse Munoz.